Alright guys, we in Greensboro. We're at the 7-Eleven meet. This shit is deep as fuck, man. If you're from North Carolina, that's one thing we got is car meets, man. This shit is deep as hell. Deep as fuck, man. This is the back of the building, back here. Hang on, I'm gonna show you the back of the building. All these people, man. That shit.
You see what his tax
Shit deep as hell. Hey, yeah, look at that, man. We got C7 out of this motherfucker, and the carpet. And the carpet. For all the bad hoes. Shit deep as hell, man.